Well, hey, it's time for episode 3 of Clean Out Cooking. Here's what we're making tonight. From the pantry, I have a bag of herb seasoned stuffing I bought a month and a half to 2 months ago to do for a recipe, and I never used it. From the freezer, pork chops, which I am going to throw onto the grill pan with some of my homemade pesto butter. From the fridge, we have celery that's seen better days that we're not going to use now that I looked at it closely. We've got onion we're going to throw into some of the stuffing. I have a little bit of chicken broth that's open. I have a little bit of beef broth that's open. It's all going in. We're going to put it all in the stuffing, and it's going to be delicious. And then tonight, to make veggies easy, we're just going to do some raw vegetables. I have like broccoli, cucumber, baby carrots. We like things like that, and I don't feel like cooking a vegetable. Okay, so we're going to get started on some of the veggies and such, and then we'll let this pork hit the pan. We're watching the Ravens game. Okay, now it says herb seasoned, right? But we're still gonna add our own seasonings. We're gonna do a little bit of thyme. Bought this once when I already had a full thyme instead of oregano. Bought this by mistake. We are going to do some rosemary sea salt. If you have never done flavored salts, like seriously, you are missing out because they add so much additional flavor. And I'm gonna get some fresh garlic in here and some pepper. I'll be right back. Do not touch garlic and then accidentally touch the corner of your eye. My skin is on fire! Okay, well, garlic's been added. Woo, she burns. All right. Got a little extra color on the onions and garlic during the eye debacle. But now we're going to add our broths and a little bit of water and make that all nice and hot before we add the stuffing mix. Okay, so I have some salt, and now I'm going in with some smoked paprika. I really hate this freaking paprika shaker. Fix it, McCormick. Make it make sense. Okay. Then in the pesto, there's obviously basil, there's parsley, there's garlic. I'm going to add some dried basil on top of these. And then I'm going to add more of my delicious compound butter on top. Look at that butter melt. Yes. Stuffing is done. We're just keeping it warm. Pork's almost done. We're going to make sure that butter gets all finished. Throw some veggies on a plate and dinner is boom done. And that's it. One more thing out of the freezer, one more thing out of my overfull pantry, and 2 big bulky boxes that had like that much liquid in it out of my fridge. And it was quick, and it's delicious. It's easy. I'm here for this. I'm actually really enjoying this. We're gonna get creative this week and see what else we can create with leftovers and things from the pantry and freezer.